Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the 2 new Huda Beauty mystery bags to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Huda Beauty just came out with new mystery bags. They had a small size. The small size has 4 items plus a bag, so technically 5. You would pay $49 for that one. They're calling it 57% off with a retail value of $119. The large one, I paid $89. It has a retail value of $269. That one's 67% off. You get 7 items and you get the bag, so technically 8. I couldn't decide on which one, so I bought both of them because if there's any duplicates of stuff that I have, then I already know I get to share with you guys, and it's a win-win, so I grabbed both. So this time, let's go ahead and go with the large one first, and then we'll open up the small one. So it does come down in these bags, and I've showed you guys before. This is simply adorable with their bubble wrap because they're actually shaped like hearts. If you can see that, all of the bubbles are shaped as hearts, and it's just simply adorable. I just love their bubble wrap. I wouldn't even want to sit here and actually pop them, and I always have to pop my bubbles. So this is what the bag looks like down inside. I think this is really neat because it's a different size than like the normal small makeup bags that we always get. It's holographic, so it has like this pinkish, purplish, kind of an orange shift to it. I think it's really cute. It has the handle on the top. There's 2 different zippers. There is a wishful makeup bag tag on here. So let's get this open. And it does say Huda Beauty right here. That's actually on the bag where it says Huda Beauty. Oh, and on the inside it's like orange and blue. Yeah, but it's all holographic. It's very cute. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So there's going to be a little sneak peek inside. So the first thing right on top is going to be, this looks like a headband. You guys know this is my favorite color. Yeah. It's nice and fluffy, and of course it's my favorite color, so that's super cute to put on if I'm doing like a skincare routine or something like that. I don't tend to wear these much, but I do have them, so if I ever feel the need that I want to, I have them. And now I have this one, which is really cute, and again, I love the color. So then next thing we have in here, it's Wishful. This is Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I did get like a little small oil, and that was like the only thing that I've ever tried from the skincare side. So I'm really excited to see a different skincare product in here. And you know I love skincare, so I can't wait to try this. Ooh, that's very pretty packaging. I was actually thinking it was gonna be like a yellow or an orange color with it being a honey balm, but it's purple. And then when you open it up, there's this little lid. Ooh. And that's what it looks like on the inside. When it goes on my skin, it turns like a purplish color. If you can kind of see that, it turned like a little, like a slight purplish color to it. Or maybe it's just purple in the container and I just didn't see that until it touched my skin. But that feels really nice. Ooh, that feels really nice. I can't wait to put that on my face at night. It says, apply a small amount to cleanse skin, add more as needed. Gently rub into fully absorbed. Use daily, morning and evening. So any time of day, so you have that. That's awesome. Now we have is the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator by Huda Beauty. And you guys know I do not use liquid foundations. I have a few that I've gotten in boxes and stuff before, and I've never used them. One day I want to try to figure this out and see how it really works. So I think I might just hang on to this one. So at least if I do finally take the plunge to use one, at least I'm using a good brand that would actually probably work good for my first time. So there's that. Let me get this open so we can see it on the inside. So yeah, I'm actually gonna keep a sponge. Like I said, I know I wanna play with it, but at least now I'll have a good sponge to do it with. So there's that. So there's that face sponge. And again, it says the Basic B. So like the basic bitch. So now we have, it says Huda Beauty Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm. Ooh, okay. That's really pretty packaging. And the color says Negligee right there. Negligee. Ooh, very pretty. It's holographic on there as well, the lid. That's very pretty. And then when you open her up, oh, she is gorgeous. You guys, look at all of this glitter on the side. That is stunning. I've never seen something so pretty before. And it's all on the outside edge. Oh my gosh, like I don't even want to use it. That is beautiful. Look at that. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's a balm and it's going to give you some shine, some gloss, and some glitter. Wow, that is beautiful. Just check that out again. Look at that. That is so pretty. Ching. That is so pretty. It doesn't have a scent, but it feels good, and it's a balm. Ooh, and that's it. It's a good packaging. So there's that. Now we have is the Huda Beauty Summer Highlighter Palette. I have this one. I think I got it in the last mystery box, to be honest. So I'm not going to open this one or anything because I already have this. I'll insert a picture of what mine looks like so you guys can see what it looks like, but I'm gonna hold this for one of you guys, so I'm not even gonna open it. But it's the Summer Solstice Edition. Yeah, I know I have that. So here's this. I'll save this for one of you guys. Now we have is the Mercury Retrograde. I got this one too. So this will go save for one of you guys, and I'll insert what the palette looks like right here. And then we have, okay, so this one I don't have. I don't think I have any purple. This is called Moody. Moody. And let's get this opened. Sometimes I do wear purple, and I have a few like a purplish gray lip products. So I'm actually excited to get another one. There's the packaging. And, ooh, whoa, okay. Yep, that is like a purple color. But I bet you if I just put a little bit on, it would look really nice. Let's see. And I know I'm not wearing purple right now. So again, I'm just gonna try to put a little bit of color on. So just a little tiny bit, and it gave me that much color. I think that actually looks really pretty. But you can definitely go darker if you put more on, obviously, because look how dark that is compared to my lips. But that is really nice. So I'm actually glad to have this little, it's like a grayish, purplish color. And then the last item in here, you guys, this is the Duo Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid. I have this and I've never used it yet. I forget about it because since it's liquid and a liner, I put it in with my liquid and I never opened that drawer. So I completely forgot about the non-liquid side of this. So at least this reminded me that I can pull that out and use the other side of it. So I'll hang on to this for one of you guys as well. One end is a liquid liner and one end is you twist it up for a black pencil liner. Okay, so that is everything that came in this particular bag for the large. So we have the headband. You have the large size cosmetic bag, which I really do like. You have this purple lipstick. The cutest lip balm ever with all those sparkles. Oh my gosh, that packaging is adorable. You have the Mercury Retrograde palette and the highlighter summer palette with the blending sponge and the skincare product. I think this was a really good one, especially for $89. I think this one was really, really good. All right, let's dive into the small size. So same packaging with the cutest bubble wrap. Okay, so this one actually matches, but it's smaller. That is cute. So they're exactly the same. They open the same, it's just a smaller size. Same with the holographic coloring. And then this is what it looks like when you open up the small. Again, the small was $49. Here is a lip product, and this is a demi matte, and this one's in the color Shiro, S-H-E capitalized, and then there's an R-O next to it. And there's that color. Let's get this opened. So there's the packaging. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. It's kind of like a brownish mauve color. So I don't know if it'll go with what I'm wearing, but let's put a little bit of it on. So it's definitely lighter than I thought it was going to be. So maybe I can mix it with like a darker shade or something, but that is what that color is right there. Okay, so now it looks like we have another lip balm, and this one's in a different color. This one says Seductress. So it looks like it's going to be like a pink. Same pretty packaging. So it's like the same thing with all of the sparkles all over. How pretty. And it's a lighter pink color, and it's a balm. Super, super pretty. This packaging is just stunning. So there's 2 lip products. This one we have the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions, and I already have this one as well. I'll go ahead and put in a photo of what it looks like on the inside. So I'll save this for one of you guys. And then there is this guy right here. This is a matte and metal melted shadow. I do have one of these. It's a more of like a mauve-ish color, like one's like more of like a pinkish mauve, and I've never used it. So I don't want another product just sitting there never using. So I'll save this for one of you guys as well. This one though is in the color of Do Not Disturb and Room Service. That's cute. But it looks like more of like a coppery brownish kind of color in there. But there's that. So it's 2 different ends. One is a matte and one is a metal liquid eyeshadow. And the last thing in here, because this one was 4 plus the bag. So, oh, they gave us just a little, this is the citrus scent. I know the last one we got an actual like bigger bottle of the musk and the vanilla, and I don't really care for those scents. So this one is actually citrus. Let's smell this one. I bet you this one's gonna smell better than both of those. Oh yeah, that definitely smells a lot better than that musk or the vanilla. I wish we got this one before. This one actually smells pretty good. And that one's citrus. So that is everything that came in the small bag. We got this bag. We have this lip product. You have the pinkish glittery lip balm. You have the eyeshadow and the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of the stuff that I have held here for you guys in the giveaway, and one person is going to win all of this stuff right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the smaller bag, and I'm gonna put in the Huda Amethyst Obsessions. There's going to be the double-ended liner, the double-ended liquid shadow, the Huda Summer Solstice highlighting palette, and then the Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. All right, so if you would like to win these products right here, it's the simple rules on all of my giveaways. Very simple. Number 1, be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to you guys that are here positively supporting me on my channel. So be subscribed. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up and leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, put in the words "enter me" with whatever else you would like. You must only put in 1 comment with the words "enter me" per username to make it fair for everybody entering. You must also have a United States address for me to mail them to. I don't care where you live, but as long as I am mailing them to United States address, and you must be over the age of 18. If you're not over the age of 18, have somebody that is over the age of 18 enter in for you so I can communicate and get addresses and stuff like that from an adult. And that's it. Be subscribed, like, comment, and be over the age of 18 and have a United States address. Simple, sweet, and that's it. I will have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will have a random comment picker cipher through the comments that say "enter me." I will then comment back to your comment saying, "Congratulations, you are the current winner. You have 48 hours to respond." If you don't respond within 48 hours, a new winner will be drawn. The new winner will have the same rules, 48 hours, so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, we'll have all of the official rules, the official end date, all of that, and it will say "Congratulations to so-and-so." If it says still has 48 hours to confirm, then hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you, but it will say confirmed once I do have a confirmed win. And that's it, you guys. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came in them? Which one did you like better? The large, the small? Did you purchase one? Did you have the same items? Which one did you get? Give me all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye. Crafty crew, out.